Hello my friends, Earth faces mankind for weather and disasters news.
This exacerbating flood.
Terrifying floods hit Rio Grande do Sul, Brazil, causing dams and bridges to collapse, the biggest in 25 years. Heavy rains will continue for the next few days, making floods and flash floods worse in the region. Rio Grande do Sul having a water crisis again, with cities underwater, rivers overflowing and lots of damage. The situation is very serious because more rain is coming, which will make things even worse with a lot of damage. Many cities, especially in the eastern part of the state, including almost all of Porto Alegre, have gotten up to 300 millimeters of rain. Some cities are preparing for disasters, from bad to very bad situations. At the end of this video, thank you very much for watching it, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more weather and disasters news.